All right, welcome back, everybody. It is time for the monthly market report. Kind of see what's going on with real estate in the capital region. We're going to be diving into the month of May. May is come and gone, so it's time for us to go back, take a look at those numbers, check out the trends, see what's going on here in the capital region. My name is Chris McMahon. I'm a real estate agent right up here in the capital region, Saratoga Springs, Lake George, Albany, and the surrounding areas. And I cover all things real estate here, so be sure this is your first time to the channel. Don't be like 85% of the people who miss out on the information I'm putting out here. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you're getting notified when new videos come out, because I do market reports. I cover community events, all kinds of things for real estate in the area, so make sure you're clicking and getting that information as I'm putting it out here. So let's get right into it here. Let's talk about Saratoga Springs. So we're seeing some swings here for Saratoga Springs. So the average price is $637,000 for the sales back in the month of May, which is down significantly from the previous month, which was $799,000. So there's been some pretty decent swings in the average price in the Saratoga community, but it's down as of right now from the previous months. Days on the market are at 40 days, so over a month, which was down significantly. The previous month was 82, which was unusually high for the market that we're in right now, but it's back down to 40, which is a little bit closer to what we've been seeing in some of the other areas there. Active listings, that's down in Saratoga as well. It's down to 78, which was down from 85 the previous months. New listings, roughly the same. 65 new listings came out in the Saratoga Springs area as opposed to 69 in the previous months. And the number of solds is up. The number of solds is 44. So it looks like our buyers are a little bit more active in Saratoga than they were the previous months, which we had 39. So it's up a little bit from that. Checking out here, Clifton Park. Average price, we had a jump in the average price here in Clifton Park at $465,000 for the average sales price in Clifton Park, up pretty decent amount from $381 the previous month there. So that's a decent jump. Saratoga dropped, Clifton Park jumped. Moving on over here to the days on the market, though, that jumped up a little bit too, 24. So over a week that bumped up because it was 2 weeks before that. Now we're sitting a little over 3 weeks for the month of May for homes sitting on the market in Clifton Park. Number of actives has jumped as well. A pretty good jump here, up almost, we're up 13 from 41. So that can jump 13 from the previous month of 28. New listings, 84, which is quite a bit. We see a jump of about 50 houses. So those spring houses that I was talking about in previous reports that are going to be coming out, looks like they hit the market in Clifton Park because that jumped up 50 houses from 34 the previous months. And the number of solds, 32, up a little bit. You got a lot more listings. Buyers seem to be a little more active. So it's kind of natural. We had a few more sales over there. It's about 5 more from the previous months of 32, which last month was 27. So going on here, we've got Albany, 259. Average sales price in Albany up from 210. So a decent jump in the sales price right there as well. Days on the market dropped down to 19, and that kind of significantly came down because it was 37 previously in that month. Number of active listings is 84, which is pretty much the same as the month before that, so not much of a change in the number of active listings. New listings, this is a difference here. 124 new listings, up from 83. So again, another area that we're seeing a big jump in the new listings. So those listings are starting to hit the market. For my buyers out there, if you're watching this, pay attention here. Things are hitting the market. And the number of solds was 49 for the month of May. Boston Spa, let's go check this place out here, huh? We got $349,000 average sales price, down from $327, so that ticked down a little bit here. Days on the market is 12, so they're still going pretty quick in Boston Spa because it was 10 the previous months, so it's roughly the same, up 2 days, not much of a change there on that one. But the active listings 46, which is up about 10 from the previous month, so there's a decent jump in the number of active listings in Boston Spa. New listings 40, which stayed almost the same, up 1. It was 39 before that, so that's staying about the same there. And the number sold is, again, about the same. So Boston Spa, other than the the price, 349, which dropped a little bit. Everything is about the same as it's been in the previous month, steady Eddie. So the number of sold listings was 21 this month compared to 20 in the previous month. So not a ton of fluctuation other than the prices come down in Boston spot. Now let's go up north here a little bit. Queensbury, we got 291, which is a big drop from the previous month. It's kind of coming back, I think, correcting back to normal, because the month before that was 418. So there must have been a couple big sales because that drove the price up on the average sales price there. So it's back down to 291. Days on the market is also up about a week and a half from the previous month. So it's 43 days now. It's the average days on the market, which is sitting over a month, which is quite a while there. Active listings, 26, about the same. There was 28 the month before that. New listings, up. More new listings. Seeing the trend here? So most of our places are getting more new listings. There was 31 new listings in Queensbury compared to 26 the previous month. And the number of solds, 16. So it's pretty, you want to talk about steady Eddie, Queensbury, we got 16 this month. It was 16 last month. It was 16 the month before that. So looks like 16 houses is the max that they sell in Clifton Park every month. But it stays pretty steady there. So there we go, guys. That's our market report. Now I've kind of selected a couple areas to try and cover the capital region as much as possible. If you are interested in a specific area and I didn't cover it, feel free to reach out and get a hold of me. I'm more than happy to look up that information. I'll do your own private video for you. I'll get that sent out to you so you can kind of check that area that you are interested in and kind of get the numbers, get the feel of what's going on. And again, if there's a stat that you're interested in that I didn't cover, again, reach out and get a hold of me. My information is in the description below. Feel free to call, text, email, whatever is the best for you. Reach out, get a hold of me. Be more than happy to help you with any of your real estate questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel. If you got questions, get a hold of me. Let's talk real estate. And I will see you guys on the next video.